What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to master Amapiano type beats in FL Studio. But actually this is a house music type beat. Actually if you're in South Africa you can tell like this is a deep house music, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna show you how to master. Yeah man, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're new to the channel. But if you're one of my niggas, thank you for holding me and keeping me busy uploading content. And let's take this to 1K before the end of the month. I know we can do it, guys. Like I just need your support. And then comment down below anything you need. If you want to request a new video, then I can do that. So anyways, let's just jump straight to this tutorial. I hope you like it. Yeah guys, as you can see, I was trying so hard to find the perfect key for this beat because I lost one of my zip file. But anyways, I still have the Pemish Keys 50 piano DW sampler. Is the best. You can find it for free. You can just go Google and search it, man. Download this, is better. Good pianos. Yo man, trust me, you need this in your next beat. The purpose of mastering is to make sure that like you try to get the goodness of the sound. Like you try to decrease all those high frequencies, you try to cut them using EQ or low frequencies, you try to remove all the hard music so that the music can be together as one, and it will give you good harmonic, melodious, sweet, beautiful beat that you can make. But you need to balance. Thank you so much, guys. If you watch this video to the end, shout out to you, man. You'll be the first one to get a drum loop or a melody loop that I'm about to drop very soon. As long as we reach 1K, I'ma drop free loops. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, see you in the next video. I got tons of tutorials.